Yes, hello. So, how are you all? My name is Yogesh, and we are doing Standard 12 Statistics Part 2, Chapter number 1. We have done illustration number 18 in last lecture. Today, we are going to do a sum from exercise. Okay. We'll be doing sum number 16, 1 6 16 from the exercise. Exercise 1 point. So it is exercise point 2, sum number 16. Now, what is in the question? Let us see. Three bulbs are defective in a box of 10 bulbs. Two bulbs are randomly selected from this box. These bulbs are fixed in a two bulb holder installed in the room. Find the probability that room will be lighted after starting the electric supply. See what is given in the question, that out of 10 bulbs, 3 bulbs are defective. So I will be writing 10 bulbs. Of 10 bulbs, 3 are defective. 7 are non-defective. How many bulbs you have to select? Uh, Two bulbs are randomly selected from the box. So select two bulbs. Now these bulbs are fixed into two bulb holders installed in the room. So in the room there are two holders. You have to find the probability that the room will be lighted after starting. Find the probability that room will be lighted after starting the electricity supply. So you have to find the probability that room will be lighted after starting the electricity supply. Now, as I told you, that they didn't told you that two bulbs selected should be defective, one should be defective, one should be non-defective, both should be non-defective. This is not your question. What your question is that you have to find the probability that room will be lighted. Okay, they are concerned with the lightening of the room. Now, if you are selecting two rooms, if you are selecting two bulbs and you are fitting in the holder, if you get one non-defective and one defective, will room be lighted? See, what I am finding is room should be lighted. Okay, So if I am selecting one non-defective and one defective, will room be lighted? Yes or no? Yes, it will be lighted. Or if I select both non-defective, then room will be lighted. Some student make mistake here. They put like two defective. Just think, if you will put two defective bulbs in the holders, obviously if both are defective, nothing will light. There will be no light. There should be either both good non-defective bulbs or either one non-defective bulbs to light the room. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to find the total possibilities. I have not find total possibility yet. Total there are 10 bulbs and you need to select 2 bulbs from the 10 bulbs. So total possibility is 10 C2. It's 10 into 9 upon 2. Okay, that is 45. Now they are saying that one should be defective, one should be non-defective. So if you are selecting one defective and one non-defective, see how many defective are there? There are 3 defectives. So if you are selecting one defective, it's 3C1, and you are selecting one non-defective, it's 7C1. Okay. Now here in both, in between the both, there is the condition or, because both cannot happen. Either both will be defective, either one will be defective. So either this will happen, either that will happen. If you select both as non-defective, it's 7C2. And as I told you that if you get or anywhere, if you get or anywhere, then you are supposed to add the digits. Okay. Now if you solve this, 3 into 7, 3C1 is 3 and 7C1 is 7, plus 7C2. Now what is that 7C2? It's 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1. So it's 21 plus 7 6 are 42, 42 upon 2, that is 21. So it's 21 plus 21, that is 40. So your probability, that is P of A, is equal to 42 upon 40. Okay, if you reduce this, you will be getting 14 upon. So we have completed the 16th sum. Now we can solve this 17th. Let us solve the 17th. Let us write the question then. P of A is equal to 0.6. P of B is equal to 0.5. P of A intersection B is 0.15. P of A intersection B is 0.15. What you need to find? You need to find P of A dash B minus A intersection B dash, and A dash union B dash. Let us find P of A dash. Now, if you want to find P of A dash, the formula is very simple. If you want to find P of A dash, the formula is 1 minus P of A. What is formula? It is 1 minus P of A. Now, 1 minus P of A means it is 1 minus 0.6. So, your answer should be 0. Now, this is your first question, that is P of A dash. What is second one? It is P of B minus A. Now, what is this B minus A? It's B minus A intersection B. Now, you have to learn this formula that B minus A is B minus A intersection B and A minus B is A minus intersection. Okay, so that is important to learn the formula. See now, do I have everything? Do I have P of B? Let's see. Yes, I have P of B as 0.5. Then do I have P of A intersection B? Yes, 0.15. 0.30. Then P of A intersection B dash. P of A intersection B dash. Now what this P of A intersection B dash? See, you have to learn this particular thing. What they have asked. See, they have asked B dash. B dash, that means B should not be there. B dash means B is not there. Now B is not there and it is intersecting with A. That means it is A minus B. What is it? It is A minus B. Now you have to learn this if you don't know. Now formula of A minus B is it's P of A minus P of A intersection B. Now it's very simple. See, what is P of A? P of A is 0.6. Okay, and intersection is 0.15. So your answer should be 0.40. Your answer is 0.40. Right. So I have solved three sub questions. Let us move for fourth one. It's P of A dash union B dash. Now what is this A dash union B dash? See, A dash union B dash means you have to learn like that. What we'll do, we'll put A and B here, but we'll make a single dash to find the answer. See, there are two dash in the bracket. We'll make a single dash and we'll reverse the sign. If outside there is a union, then we will be keeping the intersection. Okay. Now, if I want to solve this, P of A intersection B dash, it is very simple. It is 1 minus P of A intersection B. So you got my point what we have done. I told you that it is P of A intersection B dash. That means it's 1 minus intersection. Now what is 1 minus intersection? It is 1 minus. Now you have intersection? Yes, I have intersection. It is 0.50. That is 0.80. Okay, that is 0.80. Now here I have four sub question. Some textbook have fifth sub question. So let us keep the heading as sub question 5. Now what question it is? It is a reverse of the fourth one. The question stands like this: P of A dash intersection B dash. Now as I told you, if I want to find a solution to this answer, what I'll be doing? It's first of all I'll be making the dash common. Okay. First of all I'll be making the dash common and I'll reverse the sign. If outer sign is intersection, I'll be doing union. Now formula to this, that is A union B dash. The formula to A union B dash is 1 minus P of A union B. Formula to this is 1 minus P of A union. Now what is union here? See, you don't have union anywhere. So I'm teaching you how to find a union. But that point of union we'll be doing at some later point of this chapter, or you can say exactly after this exercise 1.2. Now I'm teaching you how to find the union, but I'll be explaining you about the union after this chapter. See, now just learn from me that how to find the union. Okay, so P of A union B, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. Now what is this P of A? This 0.6 plus 0.5 minus 0.15. So it's 0.95. Now this 95 is union. As I told you that this union I'll be teaching you after this 1.2. Just take this as the formula that union means A plus B minus intersection. A is this, B is this, and intersection is this. So union is 0.95. Now what you have to do? Just you have to simply subtract union from the 1. It's 1 minus 0.95, it's 0.05. So this is the answer to your P of E dash intersection. Now let's find the 18th sum. For two events A and B in the sample space of random experiment, B of A dash is equal to 2, B of B dash is equal to 3, B of A intersection B is equal to 0.6. Find the probability of difference event A minus B and B minus A. P of A dash is equal to P of B dash is equal to 3 p of A intersection B is equal to 0.6. So this is a question for you. P of A dash is equal to 2 P of B dash equal to zero point 0.6. And they have asked you to find A minus B and B minus A. So we are coming to A minus B and B minus A. First of all, let me tell you that this type of question is what? P of A dash is equal to 2P of B dash is equal to 3P of A intersection B is equal to zero point 0.6. When you were little small, you were taught like if A equal to B equal to C equal to D, then A equal to D. What it means that P of A dash is equal to zero point 0.6. Okay, as I told you that A is equal to D. P of A dash is equal to 0.6. Now P of E dash is zero point 0.6. What is P of E dash? Obviously it's 1 minus P of E. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be subtracting zero point 0.6 from 1 and I'll be transferring this P of A to that particular point. So it's 1 minus 0.6 is equal to P of 0.4 is equal to P. Okay, so we have solved one thing, 0.4. Then let us solve B also. Here it is 2 P of B dash. It's like this, 0.6, 2 P of B dash. Now here B dash is equal to 0.6 upon 2. So B dash is equal to 0.3. Now this is B dash. If you want B, what you will be doing, you will be doing the same thing we have done here. It's 1 minus P of B is equal to 0.3. Now 1 minus 0.3 is equal to P of B. Zero point 0.7 is equal to P of. Okay, so P of B is equal to 0.7. Now see, 3 P of A intersection B is zero point 0.6. 3 P of A intersection B is equal to zero point 0.6. 3 P of A intersection B equal to zero point 0.6. So P of A intersection B equal to zero point 0.6 upon 3, that is 0.2. Now what I got A as a zero point 0.4, B as a zero point 0.7 and intersection as zero point 0.2. Let me write in one line so that we can get it clearly. P of A is zero point 0.4, P of B P of B is equal to zero point 0.7, then P of A intersection B is equal to zero point 0.2. Okay, so we have P of A as a zero point 0.4, B as zero point 0.7, and intersection as a zero point 0.2. What you need to find now? You need to find A minus B and B minus A. So let us find. So first of all, I'll be finding A minus B. Okay. So what is A minus B? It's P of A minus P of A intersection B. Now what is P of A? It is 0.4 minus 0.2, which is 0.2. Now if I want to find B minus A, then what I'll do? P of B minus A is equal to P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, which is zero point 0.7 minus zero point 0.2, which is 0.5. Okay, so we have completed 18th sum today. In this exercise, only sum number 13 is left, which we will be doing in the next lecture and completing the exercise. Thank you.